Do animals talk? Well, answering that question is not that simple. First of all, what is talking? Talking is expressing thoughts, feelings, or ideas through spoken words, sign language, or nonverbal sounds. So, can we observe that kind of behavior in the animal kingdom? Let's start with ants. Ants don't use sound the way we do. They use chemicals, pheromones. An ant finds food, it leaves a chemical trail that basically says, guys, buff it this way. Danger, different chemical. Ready to mate, another one. Time to fight, new formula. Thanks to those signals, entire colonies can coordinate insanely complex behavior. They build structures, organize labor, and even launch collective attacks. No voice, no alphabet, and still highly organized communication. Now, hummingbirds. In addition to vocal sounds and body language, many hummingbird species use something called mechanical sonation. In other terms, they produce sounds by vibrating their feathers. For example, if a male creates a sharp metallic sound, he will challenge a rival. During courtship, he will produce explosive chirps to impress females. They're not just making noise, each sound has a function. And last but not least, belugas. Nicknamed the sea canaries because they're ridiculously vocal. They chirp, whistle, click, squawk, and trill. Researchers have identified more than 50 distinct call types. For comparison, there are just 26 letters in the English alphabet. But here is what makes them fascinating. In shallow Arctic waters, different beluga pods regularly gather. They don't feed, they don't mate, they don't fight, they just hang out. It's literally a family reunion. They probably just catch up, exchange ideas, share gossips, and maybe talk about some other stuff, you know. That level of language complexity raises tons of other questions, but we'll address them in other videos. So, do animals talk? Earlier I said that the answer to that question wasn't that simple. Well, that was not true. Because using clicks, pheromones, or movements, they share information, emotions, warnings, and intentions. So yes, exactly like us, animals do talk.